Ever dreamed of sending thousands of SMS messages with just a few lines of code? Today, we're diving deep into how Plivo makes that a reality. First things first, you'll need a Plivo account once you're signed up. Head over to your dashboard here. You'll find your crucial API credentials, your Auth ID and Token. Keep these secure, as they're your keys to accessing Plivo's powerful SMS sending capabilities. The magic happens through Plivo's API specifically. We'll be focusing on the Messages API Endpoint. Think of this as the dedicated channel you use to tell Plivo what message to send, who to send it to, and from which number. To communicate with this endpoint, we'll use a method called POST. This method allows us to send data to the API. The data we send will include information like the destination phone number, the message content you want to deliver, and your Plivo source phone number. Now, how does Plivo know it's really you sending these messages? Authentication is key. You'll include your Auth ID and Token in the request headers. This is like showing your ID to ensure you have permission to use the service. Plivo verifies these credentials before processing your SMS request. In your programming language of choice, you'll construct an HTTP post request. This request will be sent to the Plivo Messages API Endpoint with your authentication credentials in the header and the message details in the request body. Once Plivo receives and processes this request successfully, you'll get a response indicating that your SMS has been queued for delivery. It's that straightforward.